Hi everyone, Patrick here, and I'm in the middle of a hike when Fujifilm just officially announced the Fujifilm X Summit for September 12th. And that's old news for you because I already told you about it in early July. And also in early July, I told you that the Fujifilm GFX100 replacement would be announced on September 12th, but there will be more. But before I tell you about it, in theory, that's the moment where I ask you to like and subscribe, but don't do it just now because I want to earn it, I want to deserve it, I want to sweat for it, not only by delivering you rumors, but also by showing you a beautiful hut up there, the Grasleitnerhütte. I have a total of 1,000 meters to hike upwards and 400 to done, 600 more meters to go, so I see you very soon. Let me do the rest of the hike and then I will let you know what's coming from a very beautiful place in the Dolomites. Okay, see you very soon. Let me go up. So guys, I had my beer over there in the Grasleitnerhütte and now you get your rumor. On September 12th, we will not only get the GFX100 replacement, but we will also get 3 GF lenses, the GF55mm f1.7, and then the 2 GF tilt shift lenses that Fujifilm has already shown us in form of a mock-up in previous X Summit. So all of that, so 3 GF lenses and the GFX100 replacement will drop on September 12th, but maybe, I don't know, maybe more could drop, but that's what's coming for sure. And this is also addressing one of the main complaints that I had after the last X Summit in May, where I had 3 major complaints, and one of them that we had nothing GFX related. Well, I surely can't complain about that after September 12th. If you want to check out what my other 2 complaints were, I let the link to the article down below in the description box. So that's it for this video. My plan was to go to eat, drink, and then go home back there again, but it just looks too amazing over there. Look at that. So I want to hike a little bit deeper into the Dolomites, see if I get some good shots. It's not a perfect day today because it's cloudy, so the colors really don't come out, but luckily I have Velvia, so I can bring back some of that color that nature usually have when it's a sunny day here because I have Velvia. And about Velvia, we have actually published an article about that film simulation in particular in the last few months, and it was very popular. Many people read it, so we link that down below too. And today Velvia comes super useful for me, and yeah, and I wish you all the best and stay tuned because many more rumors are coming. Many more rumors. I don't know if always from amazing locations like this, but I'll do as much as possible to also bring a bit around. Oh, and last but not least, that's the Grasleitnerhütte. I will let you the link, the Google Maps location in the description down below. And it is a very beautiful hut because it's in a part of the Dolomites where there are no cableways, so you avoid tons of tourism, even in high season. Sure, you have to hike. For me, it was 1,000 meters up, and that's the shortest way to come here. But if you are in good shape, you can do it. It's not a dangerous road, not a technical difficult road. Definitely hike up here, and then you can walk over there into the Dolomites even deeper. You can have an amazing time and avoid lots of the crowds that you usually have in the Dolomites this time of year in high season. So I wish you an absolutely fantastic day. Goodbye, and if you want, like and subscribe. If not, see you in the next video anyway. Ciao.